Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix Samsung TV update error code 800. So basically gonna see in the answers right here, you can update the television manually using a USB flash driver. The instructions are available at this link, which is ANS 0006 222 4. Right, you're gonna be able right here to update the software on your Samsung smart TV or monitor. And scroll a little bit down right here. Every once in a while, your smart TV or smart monitor will receive software updates to add new features or fix bugs. No matter what model you have, keeping your software up to date is very important. You can update your TV or monitor's software over the internet or using USB flash driver. Okay, so you can just go ahead right here and learn how to update it automatically, or you can use the flash drive to update it. Right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.